Hello there guys, no, for this video, ayan, dogs is man's best friend, no, ayan, since na April was gone for the past few months, no, and this is her granddaughter. We call her Tuta, no, since na wala kaming maisip na name for her, no, ayan. So this doggy dogs is very sweet, no, and she looks like April, no, at the same time na this is the first time that we bring her here in our store, no, since April is always coming here, no, as our guardian, no. And so this is my daughter, no, she really loves pet, no, and she really loves dogs, no. So ayan, so dinala ko dito for her, no, para naman meron siyang makakausap at makakasama sa store namin, no, since I'm always out of town, no, ayan. So ayan, she is very lovely, no, and you know, sometimes guys, no, when you care pets or dogs or something, no, minsan napapalapit sila sa iyo and you really love them, no, ayan. So iniiwasan ko na rin sanang mag-alaga ng dogs kasi sometimes when you love dogs, no, when they gone, it feels so hard, no, ayan. Parang tao din sila minsan na talagang mararamdaman mo, lalo na ano sila, sweet sila, no, and yung marami kang memories from them, no. So ayan, so ito na naman uli ako, nag-aalaga na naman.